Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to refund a Dazn subscription. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Dazn application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and you want to go ahead and see that your subscription is still active. So as you can see here, I can log into my account. So go ahead and log in guys and just see that you still have an active subscription so that you will be able to get a refund. So guys, now if you want to get a refund, the next thing we have to do is go ahead and exit out of the application, and we want to open up an internet browser on our mobile phone. So go ahead guys and open up your internet browser, and this is going to go ahead and open up this new web page where you can go ahead and use the search bar. We want to go ahead guys and search for Dazn refund. So go ahead guys and search for Dazn refund in your browser. Doesn't matter if it's Safari, doesn't matter. And the first result is going to be called help on the official Dazn.com website. So you want to go ahead guys and open up this first page that pops up that says help request a refund, and it's going to go ahead and open up this new page where you'll be able to see the option that you will be able to click on the contact us button. I currently cannot see that because I cannot use Dazn in my country, but if you open this up, it's going to go ahead and give you the option to contact them, and there you just want to go ahead and write out that you want a refund, give them a reason and your account info, and then they will be able to get back to you and tell you that they will give you a refund. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it, and that's all that you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.